Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing well today. I want to welcome you to Tika's Gardens. Today, I am in Cabo, San Lucas, Mexico, and I am going to be touring the resort that I am staying at, as well as the neighboring resorts. There is a collection of 3 resorts all together here, and the grounds are very beautiful. So anyone who lives in a warm climate like I do in Texas, these gardens can be an inspiration for you and give you a lot of ideas of what you can do. Even if you live in a cooler climate and you want to have a garden that is suited to like a Asian style or tropical style garden, some of these can inspire you as well to do that in a spot in your garden. So come along with me as I tour these beautiful gardens and take a few quick looks at the ocean while we're at it, because I can't help myself. So let's get going, guys. As I am sitting out on the balcony this morning, just enjoying the view and the weather, I noticed below me an employee planting up new plantings in this planter here. So I thought it would be something neat to capture. And what I find interesting is that she has all of the plantings in this white, like trash bag style bag. And they look like they may have been grown from seedlings because they are not very big, and she's separating them out as she's planting them. So it's very interesting to watch, and I thought you'd get a kick out of seeing this. All right, guys, enjoy. So this is the planter that we were looking down at from my balcony. And as you can see, these are definitely smaller plantings. So I really do believe that they did come from seedlings. But I think this is going to look really good once it's matured and full. And we'll take a look at some of the neighboring planters so you can get an idea of what it's going to look like once it fills in. Check out that view, very beautiful. But here is a planter which has what looks like to be the same planting. So this is an idea of what that planter is going to look like once it fills in. It should look like this one right here. As soon as the sun gets above the ocean and it's finally risen, it is like a cue for the birds to wake up and start singing. And it's like every morning, as soon as that sun is above the ocean, it is just a symphony of birds just singing everywhere. And you can't even make it up. It is just really the prettiest sounds. But the birds are very active earliest in the morning, which is the time period that I have recorded the majority of this video. I am out early in the morning, so we get to enjoy the birds. I don't know what type they are, but you will hear the sounds throughout all of the recordings. It's just really amazing that there's like this trigger that wakes them up and they just suddenly just start singing at a specific time every morning. So anyway, I just had to share that. I just found that to be very fascinating. All right, guys, I'll let you get back to the tour. I'm going to try to be quiet. I know I said that I would be quiet and let you enjoy this tour, but I just had to jump in here real quick just to say that I find that around this pool area and entertaining area here, there are some of the most creative and original planting combinations that I have really ever seen anywhere so far. I really am enjoying what I'm seeing, and the combinations are things that I just would have never thought of myself. So this is really giving me some inspiration and hope for that I can make my garden just as beautiful. But yeah, these are really creative ideas around this area here. And I hope you guys are still enjoying this tour so far. So let's keep going. Their use of ground covers throughout all of these gardens is really spectacular. And I really think I need to try these in my garden because I really love the way that these are looking. I think this was really a brilliant idea with the way they have used ground covers, not just on the ground, but in pots to kind of drape over the pots and give that spiller effect. So yeah, these ground covers, just pay attention as you're watching the video. See how they use ground covers almost everywhere. I really like it. These are some great ideas. I mean, talk about garden goals. Definitely. All right, guys, let's keep looking. Another thing that I find really interesting, guys, is this use of these Asian style / desert style gardens that they have throughout the grounds. You will see them throughout the video. And I just think that they are so cool looking, so unique. Like I said, it's like this combination of Asian style gardening and then taking desert plants and putting them in that Asian style garden, giving this whole new look. I don't know what it's called, but I'm really loving it. And I don't know that this is an idea I would do in my garden. I would love to be able to pull that off, but I think Tika's paw prints would be in the sand constantly. I'd have more work trying to keep the lines in it than I would have time to enjoy it. But yes, this is definitely an original idea and very beautiful. Hey guys, it's another day. It's actually the next day, and I'm out again in the morning to record more video and to take a look at more of the gardens, things I haven't seen yet. And it is a windy day today, so you'll hear the wind throughout this video today. So I do apologize for that, but it doesn't take away from the beauty of these gardens. So let's look some more. Guys, I have chosen to not do like a music overlay or anything like that for this video because I really just want you to see the resort, and I just want to capture the sights and sounds of regular everyday life, normal things. And I just enjoy raw raw footage sometimes of what's going on somewhere in the world without it being spiced up to, be more, I guess, pleasant with music to distract you. I love the sound of the wind and the trolleys going by and people chit-chatting about different things and just all of that. So it just helps to capture the moment and capture the mood. And I hope you guys are getting that feel as you're watching the garden tour as I got as I was walking all of the grounds and enjoying everything. These are by far my favorite pots. While I would never want to work with cactus with spikes like this, I do enjoy the look. But it makes me wonder, how do they maintain them? Because the spikes on these plants are something else. I would be afraid to have to handle this pot, to be the person who is responsible for maintaining, refilling it with potting soil and things like that. But they're spectacular to look at. They're very huge and grand. Great idea. I don't know what kind of vine this is, but it is completely covering the trunk of this tree, and it goes all of the way up to the top. This is really amazing. I haven't seen anything like this before, a vine that has totally covered a tree to this magnitude. Being in the off season, it's obviously not fully in bloom with leaves or flowers or whatever it has on it, but I would be intrigued to see what it actually looks like when it's in full bloom and everything. I bet it's really pretty. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.